begin the updates that are coming in from the financial capital, Mumbai, that has been witnessing continuous rainfall over the past few days. And according to the Met Department, heavy downpours are expected to continue for the next 48 hours as local train services that have been suspended, they have been affected several routes following waterlogging that has been triggered by heavy rainfall. Several areas in the city too that have been submerged as waterlogging that has been reported, especially in the low-lying areas. The IMD has issued a yellow alert for Maharashtra's Pune, Ratnagiri, Raigad, Sindhudurg, Amravati and Nagpur districts. However, when it comes to the images that are coming in overnight, as we have seen heavy rainfall that has been reported, local train services that have been affected. IMD says more rains that are now likely to continue as far as the yellow alert that has also been issued when it comes to in Maharashtra's Pune, Ratnagiri, Raigad, Sindhudurg, Amravati and also Nagpur districts. However, Mumbai has recorded over 300 mm of rainfall at various places in the last 7 hours alone, right from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. To 8 a.m. this morning, as far as the rain situation that continues when it comes to battering the city. And heavy rains in some low-lying areas has led to waterlogging and disruption of the suburban train services as well. BMC, meanwhile, has announced a holiday for the first session in all BMC and government and private schools and colleges in Mumbai in view of the heavy rain alert. And the BMC will take the decision for next session after reviewing the situation. But continuous heavy rainfall that has triggered waterlogging in several parts of the financial capital. The pictures right now that are coming in, as you can see, the train services too that have been affected. However, when it comes to the Met Department indicating that heavy rain will impact when it comes to the Madhya Maharashtra and the Marathwada regions right from the 8th of July till the 10th of July. Let's in the meantime also listen in to the people's voices that are now coming across as what they have to say, because it's Monday morning. Many of them are already leaving for their offices right now, and how the heavy rains and waterlogging have affected their transportation. Let's in the meantime go across to Arunil as well, but first let's listen in to what the people are saying.
मुंबई के बारे में बस इतना ही कहूंगा कि अपना जो भी है दादर इलाका है ना, हर साल पानी भरता है इधर पे, कभी कोई चीज की सुविधा नहीं होती है। हमेशा इधर पे यही प्रॉब्लम रहती है, हमेशा इधर पे यही कारण रहता है। कभी भी बीएमसी अपना काम ठीक करती नहीं है। जब भी देखेगा ना, यहाँ पे हर साल पानी भरता है और यहाँ की जो गवर्नमेंट है ना, बिल्कुल भी लाचार है एकदम, और जरा भी ध्यान नहीं देते बीएमसी वाले लोग। अभी मैं जा रहा था कुर्ला से परेल तक जा रहा था, सिर्फ कुर्ला से परेल तक जाने के लिए मेरे को इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ, इतना दिक्कत हुआ है, करीबन मुझे 2 घंटा लग गया है ट्रैफिक के अंदर।
तकलीफ हुआ, मेरा गाड़ी फंसा पड़ा है उधर अंदर पानी में। इतना पानी भर जाएगा तो कभी सोचा नहीं था। बारिश के सामने किसकी चलती नहीं है।
बारिश में कभी गड्ढे विड्ढे भी रहते हैं ना, बरोबर वो कभी किधर गड्ढा आदमी गिर गया, किधर बरोबर वो भी नहीं है ना। अभी आदमी कैसे जाएगा बारिश में, ट्रेन बंद, बस बंद, सब बंद।
All right, such has been the situation that has now been reported as the people have been affected and impacted because of the continuous rainfall, and pictures that have been coming in, it suggests that clearly over the next 24 for 48 hours, the situation is expected to remain the same. Let me go across when it comes to Arunil. Arunil, good morning. How has been Mumbai's good morning today? Whilst we are looking at the pictures of overnight rainfall and waterlogging, that it has affected and impacted the lives of millions of people.
Well, while the rains, these heavy rains have brought relief with respect to the water availability that will be there in the lakes surrounding Mumbai and different parts of Maharashtra. Yes, waterlogging is also being seen, heavy rains. BMC statement basically mentions that since last night, 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. today, heavy rainfall is been received in different parts of Mumbai. And because of that, several low-lying areas which basically which have a slope primarily have encountered massive waterlogging, and because of that, commuting has become a major problem. All the office goers basically traveling by road or traveling by trains at least till now have not been majorly affected, but people who are traveling by road, they have to face a grave inconvenience because of the waterlogging. The low-lying areas are submerged in water, and because of that, vehicular movement is extremely restricted. With respect to the availability in the lakes, surrounding Mumbai. We had seen water cuts being done by the BMC because the water levels was receding. But now that is a heartening sign for Mumbaikars.
Absolutely, because such has been the situation that has been reported as we are looking at overnight rains, the fury that has been reported in Mumbai. Let's in the meantime also take a look at different locations that are now coming in where there has been inundation that has been reported in Mumbai. As we are looking at many of those pictures, let's break them down for our viewers because this has severely impacted the lives of millions of people. But unfortunately, this is the same story that gets repeated almost every year. The blame that straight away goes on to the civic authorities that what they were doing for the entire rest of the year when there were no rainfall, and this is something that they know will happen. And eventually these are the pictures almost annually that we witness in Mumbai every year, and not just in Mumbai but in different parts of the state of Maharashtra as well. Mumbaikars who are wading through waterlogged roads, knee-deep roads. You can see the bicycle there, hardly the tires that are visible, the vehicles that are breaking down. You can see such cars that have been breaking down, people who have been affected, the daily commute that has been affected. This is because as far as the waterlogging is concerned, that has been reported, especially in the low-lying areas. But unfortunately, this is the story that repeats every year. The same civic authorities, one of the richest in the country, continue to be questioned as to what preparations and arrangements that they made on ground so as to avoid these pictures. But unfortunately, such is when it comes to the apathy that continues on part of the Mumbai civic authorities. Abhishek is also reporting live on the Mumbai rains.
We witnessed at this important junction where we are present here in Andheri, and as far as Mumbai is concerned, definitely it was expected that in the month of June, which has just passed away, the required amount of rainfall didn't happen. That's the reason the lakes in Mumbai which supply water to Mumbaikars are yet not filled, and that is something definitely a crucial concern. But this is raining since past 10 hours since night, and in fact it has affected the train movements at the given point of time. Definitely no flight disruptions have been observed, but clearly you can see the waterlogging situation which has arisen here. In fact, several parts of Mumbai, right from Sion, Dadar, Hindmata, and several low-lying areas like Kurla, where we can witness huge waterlogging since night that has taken place. Central railways have been majorly affected. It was you can clearly see in these visuals, there are certain amount of level of water on the tracks that has, the trains on the central lines have been disrupted. They are running slow. In fact, the western lines are also running slow at this given point of time. Also, advisories have been given to respective schools that those children who have started to come to schools are being sent back, and also those who have schools in the afternoon, they have been issued advisory by respective schools not to come today. But I would like to point out, today is a green alert by the BMC, but the amount of rain has definitely exceeded the number of which is in the orange alert. And definitely as far as the current situation is concerned, it is far more better from what it happened entire night, and there are certain societies which are waterlogged. In fact, the roads continue to be waterlogged, and it is now intermittently raining in Mumbai. But at the same time, which is being predicted by the IMD, that today is the green alert and this situation will continue. As far as the traffic movement is concerned, it is affected at the Western Express Highway, which is a central highway which connects the northern part of the Mumbai to the southern part, where the traffic movements are slow. But as the time progresses, because the peak hours, it will be more difficult if this situation continues to remain. And in fact, the high tides are also there. That's the reason these water which are on the roads, on the societies and on the different low-lying areas are yet to be drained away because of the high tide. As the high tide passes by, these waters from different areas will also concede and be out So definitely it's an important update that I'm sharing you. But Central Line and Western Line are operational, but the trains on them are slow. In fact, Central Line is being most affected with waterlogging on the tracks. In fact, Western Lines, the trains are running slow. There is a traffic jam on Western Express Highway. Andheri subway is operational, which was not operational till the night because it had the waterlogging over there. But as we speak, advisories have been issued by respective private schools and BMC schools to not send children to their schools. Who have been sent, they have been returned back to their respective home. In fact, those schools which are there in the afternoon, they have also been issued advisory. So definitely after the month of June, now in July, you can witness this rain, and that too in the green alert, which is being predicted by the IMD today. Back to you.
All right, with that live reporting that has been done by Abhishek as he is getting us the updates when it comes to the services, when it comes to train services that have been affected, traffic on roads that have been also affected because we are looking at long traffic jams. And imagine when it comes to the high-end areas that we are looking of Worli and Kurla and Dadar and King's Circle railway station, all of them that have been affected because of the waterlogging and because of the continuous rainfall. Let's in the meantime stay with the updates that are coming in from